In this video, we will talk about Discord. Once you've logged into Discord, the first thing you'll notice is the server list on the left side of the screen. This is where all of your servers will be listed. If you're setting up a new server, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the server list. A pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to either create a new server or join an existing one. Select Create My Own to start fresh. You'll then be asked to name your server, select the server region, and upload an image for the server to personalize it. After that, hit Create Server, and your new server will appear in the left sidebar. Now that your server is created, you can begin organizing it. Discord allows you to create channels within your server, which are the areas where communication happens. You'll start with two types of channels: text channels and voice channels. The text channels are where users can chat, share images, links, and videos, while voice channels are where live voice chats and video calls take place. To create a new channel, click on the plus button next to your server name. You can select whether you want to create a text channel or voice channel. Text channels can be used for specific topics or general conversation, while voice channels are meant for real-time communication between users. When you're creating these channels, you can give them names that reflect the content or purpose. For example, you can create a text channel called General Chat for casual conversations, and another called News for updates and announcements. Once you've created these channels, you can organize them into categories. Categories help keep your server neat and structured, especially when you have many channels. To create a category, right-click on your server name in the sidebar and select Create Category. You can name the category something like General, Admin, or Gaming, and then you can drag and drop the relevant channels into each category to keep everything organized. As your server grows, you'll want to assign roles to manage permissions and access control. Roles allow you to give specific members certain permissions, such as moderating the server, muting members, or managing channels. To create a role, click on the down arrow next to your server name to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, go to Roles and click on Create Role. You can give the role a name like Admin or Moderator and assign it a specific color. Once you've created a role, you can assign permissions to it, deciding which actions members with that role can perform, such as managing messages, kicking users, or even changing server settings. You can assign these roles to your members by right-clicking their name and selecting the appropriate role, which will grant them the permissions that come with that role. After setting up roles, the next step is to manage server invites. To invite new members to your server, click the down arrow next to your server name and select Invite People. Discord will generate an invite link that you can share with anyone you want to invite. You can customize the link by setting an expiration date or a limit to the number of uses, giving you control over how long the link stays active and how many times it can be used. If you want more security, you can enable verification levels, requiring new members to verify their email address or phone number before they can join. Once your server is populated with members, communication can happen through the text channels. In a text channel, you can send messages, share files, post links, and even embed media like YouTube videos or tweets, making conversations more dynamic and engaging. To mention a user in the chat, simply type @ followed by their username, and they will get a notification that they've been mentioned. You can also mention roles by typing @ followed by the role name, and anyone with that role will be notified. Additionally, you can pin messages in a channel to make important announcements or information easily accessible to everyone. To pin a message, just hover over the message and click on the three dots that appear, then select Pin Message. Along with text channels, voice channels are an essential part of Discord's communication. To join a voice channel, simply click on the channel name, and you'll be connected to the chat. When you enter a voice channel, you'll be able to speak with others, and there's also the option to video chat and share your screen by clicking the camera or screen share icon. If you need to mute yourself temporarily or deafen yourself, so you can still hear others but they can't hear you, Discord provides simple controls for these actions at the bottom of the screen. These features make Discord perfect for real-time meetings, gaming sessions, or collaborative work. To further enhance your server, you can integrate bots to automate tasks or add extra functionality. Bots in Discord can moderate your server, provide music, send reminders, and even welcome new members. To add a bot, You can use a service like Top.gg to find bots that meet your needs. Once you've chosen a bot, click on the Invite button, select your server, and grant the bot the necessary permissions. Once added, you can configure the bot's settings to ensure it runs smoothly, and you can use it to perform tasks like automatically assigning roles or posting scheduled messages. Discord also allows you to customize notifications to ensure you're not overwhelmed by messages in busy servers. If you don't want to be notified every time a message is posted, click the server name and navigate to Notification Settings. Here you can choose whether to receive notifications for all messages, only mentions, or not at all. For individual channels, you can click on the bell icon and choose to mute notifications for that channel, which is helpful if you want to focus on specific conversations. For those who want an even more streamlined experience, Discord has server boosts that unlock extra features for your server. Server boosting requires a Discord Nitro subscription and adds benefits like better audio quality in voice channels, increased emoji slots, and custom server banners. To boost a server, click the server name and select Server Boost. You can boost your server multiple times, each time unlocking more advanced features. As your server grows and becomes more active, it's important to keep track of engagement and ensure the community remains healthy. Discord provides server insights to help you monitor your server's performance. To access insights, go to Server Settings and select Insights. Here, you can see metrics such as user growth, message activity, and the most popular channels. This data can help you understand what's working well and where there may be areas for improvement, whether that's adjusting the channel topics or providing more engagement activities. Finally, to maintain security and prevent unwanted disruptions, Discord offers a range of security features. You can enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added protection, particularly for admins and moderators. This ensures that only authorized users can make critical changes to the server. Under Server Settings, greater than moderation, you can set up a range of verification levels to prevent spam or malicious users from joining your server. For example, you can require that users have a verified email address or phone number before joining. To keep your server safe, you can also set up automatic moderation with bots or configure permissions for specific roles to control who can post messages, share links, and perform administrative tasks. Regularly checking audit logs will give you a detailed history of any significant actions taken in your server, helping you monitor for any inappropriate activity. If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on mastering Discord and other community tools.